Vlog here, and today we're trying another buttered chicken from Ralph's. Yeah, EBT. So anyways, we got the Saffron Road, no antibiotics ever. You see that? With yeah, Basmati rice. Tender white meat chicken simmered in blends of tomato, cream butter, and Indian masala spices. Wow. Mild. So this looks like pretty authentic, huh? Yeah. Made by a real Indian chef from the 40s recipe, I guess. Yeah, look, stamped. Indian recipe, authentic. Alright, perfect. This sounds pretty good. So of course you got the two options, microwave and oven, and of course we're doing the oven. So we got that preheated to 375, and put this in for, whoa. Cook for 30 minutes, stir, and cook for additional 20 to 25 minutes. Whoa, wait. Really? It takes that long? Jeez, wow. Oof. We better get started then. Let's get going. Come on, jeez, yeah. To the kitchen, everyone. So we got the brand new Kamal here. Check it out. And we threw away the old one. Nasty one. It's been in this family for generations, like seriously. But you know, it's nasty. Let's get this going. Yeah. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, jeez. Not too appetizing. Looks like a TV dinner. Let's see, transfer food to oven safe dish, cover with foil. Cover with foil? What? Once we leave this on, is that what you're saying? Alright, that's fine. Come on, let's get cooking. Alright, in we go. 30 minutes. And then take it out and stir it for another 25 minutes. Alright, here we go. We'll be back. Alright, there we go. That's 30 minutes. So apparently we just take this out. I mean, looks ready. Oh. Am I reading this right? Hold on. Preheat oven to 375. Transfer food to oven to cover foil. Cook for 30 minutes. Stir. Cook for additional. Oh my gosh! So we are supposed to cook it more. Honestly, if I didn't read that part, I would just eat it like this. But yeah, you gotta do what it says, right? Follow instructions. So yeah, just stir this up. Smells good. I can tell you right now it doesn't look like a lot of food. So anyways, alright. Put this back on. Alright. Back in the oven. Okay. So timer. Another, let's see, 20 minutes. Alright, that should be good. 20 minutes. Yep. And then we'll be able to eat. Alright, it's that time. Should be ready by now, right? Come on. Yeah, big difference. Smell it so much. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that boil right there. Oof. That's what we want. Alright. Let's get this in a bowl. Presentable, right? Here we go. Alright, there you have it. Jeez. Didn't even fill up the bowl, really? That's what you get? I mean, can they spare any? Jeez, come on. Alright, well this looks extremely hot. You know, I don't understand what's going on with these buttered chickens. Like, every time I get them, there's like barely any in there. But yeah, let's take a look here. So, fact, reality. Ah, really? What do you guys think? Really? Alright, let's give this a go. What is this? Just a couple bites and it's all gone. 50 minutes it took to make this. Let's get it. Cheers. Not too hot. Ooh, spicy aftertaste. Yeah, that's thick. The sauce here, or curry, or what, butter sauce, whatever this is, it's thick. Not liquidy. Small pieces of chicken. This is delicious. Wow. Let me taste the rice. Rice is too hard. It's like it got overcooked or something, but I was following directions. Long grain. Yeah, rice, no good. It's starting to get crunchy. Yeah, I don't understand. But the actual butter chicken is, wow, that is delicious. Oh my god. Frozen meal. Really good. So I'm just gonna give it an 8 out of 10 because lots of flavors, but the rice just, come on. It's like you have to make your own rice and then put this on top, because what they give you, no good. I wish I had a big bowl of this. Now that would be a solid meal right there. Hot. Hot. Yeah. More in the middle. It starts getting more hot. Not spicy, but hot. Indian food. Is it bathroom time? That's what usually happens, right? Wow. There we go. 2 thumbs up all the way. Just unfortunately, like I said, the rice just didn't do its justice, and the actual butter chicken is delicious, yummy. Wow, spicy. Yeah, there you go. $5 at Ralph's. Not too happy about the price, but you know, I mean, it should at least make the bowl fill up, right? Unfortunately. So, you know, it's kind of weird, and even in the picture, the chicken looks bigger. That's how you know, right? Halal. You know, I always see that. What does that mean? Like it's not pork or something? Alright, well, there you go. Thumbs up, groovy vibes all the way. I'm gonna finish this and edit this video, so we'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Hit up my PayPal, alright? Expensive, EBT. Alright, later guys, bye bye.